A lot of you have been asking how I get the waves in my hair, so I thought I'd show you today. So this is my hair after I've just washed it and I've allowed it to dry naturally. Obviously, it's got a frizz to it. It needs a bit of heat styling. So I tend to go in with some kind of curling tool, and at the moment I'm loving the Babyliss straightener and curler in one. So let's get started. So you've got 5 different heat settings here. Going right up from 160 right up to 220. I'm going to go in the middle today. So this is brilliant because it heats up in 15 seconds and it heats all the way around. So you've got the straightener there, but then you've also got the curler around the edge as well. But I've got the added bonus of it being on a barrel, so it helps me to get that curl. So I don't have to do it with the straighteners because sometimes I do find that quite tricky. It's got the little stoppers here, which actually come off as well. So you can take those off if you want to. And they stay nice and cool, but you've obviously got to be aware not to touch it. But so it's quite nice to have the stoppers to give you that guide. So now I'm heated up. You can see that it's stopped flashing. It's ready to go. So I always section off my hair so I can do underneath. So get a nice clean section. Take the wand, wrap it around, take it over, and then all I do is take them vertically down and then just take them down the hair, and it just glides through. But because that's all heated, it just heats it all around. You get the perfect curl. And just take it straight vertically down. Nice and easy. Just to note, I'm doing the curls away from the face. So when you're curling the hair, resist the temptation to sort of take it out to the side because it will end up too much of a ringlet. What you want is that straightness on the very end. So you go in, take it over the top, quarter of a twist, and then take it down in line with your nose, straight down. And there you go. You get your curl with the cool bit on the end. And if you feel one doesn't do a little curl, just give it a little bend, but always allow them to set before you dress them out. Allow it to completely cool and then just dress it out. And then just get some texture spray, just give it a little spray, just to give it that undone feel. And that's it. Really nice and easy. I like the fact that the ends are straight. That's what I'm after. I don't want it so it's full on curls. So I just want that bend in the hair, a little bit cool. Can always sort of mess up the ends a little bit as well. And that's it. That's how I get these undone waves. Give it a try. Let me know how you get on.